Hi guys, I'm Kira, and today you'll learn how to pronounce the word сердце, or heart. The d in this word disappears into the ц, which makes the second syllable super easy, and the second y sounds like a schwa. Let's start with a good Russian default mouth position. Jaw slightly forward, tip of the tongue behind the bottom teeth, lips rounded and protruded. Ц, ц, ц. The first syllable almost rhymes with the English word air, and the S is soft, meaning you can almost hear a Y sound built into the S. Let's do it. Lips. Sir, sir. The flipped Russian r is just like the flick of the tongue that native speakers of English in the US use with the word utter. Utter, sir. Utter, sir. Utter, sir. Now let's put it all together. Lips. Utter, сердце. Utter, сердце. Utter, сердце. Utter, сердце. 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 That's it, guys. Be sure to subscribe on YouTube, share my videos, suggest a word, and check out my video course at unlockingrussianpronunciation.org. And if you teach Russian and you like my videos, please consider tagging me on Instagram so your students can see them too. Счастливо!